This AI agent watched me work just for one day and built an automated clone of my entire routine. It's crazy. You've never seen AI take over a real job this fast, but there's a catch. They might ban it soon. Everyone is talking about chatbots and AI code writing, but nobody is showing you this. A fully customizable agent that quietly learns your workflow and repeats it better than you. No coding, just drag and drop, yet. Barely anyone's discussing how these powerful agents are automating entire jobs while flying under the radar. Why is that? Because it threatens old productivity tools. And industry insiders say major platforms want controls slapped on this tech fast. What's the AI tool I'm referring to? It's called Anakin. Here's how you set it up. First, sign into Anakin AI and open the Visual Workflow Designer. Next, use the Auto Agent Builder to create a new workflow bot. Select your daily digital tasks, emails, data entries, file management. By dragging preset action blocks onto the canvas, let the agent observe actual work. Connect it to your tools like email, CRM, documents, and it records steps automatically. Activate conditional logic so your agent can handle if this then that decisions without manual prompts. Then, hit run. And watch as the agent batch processes your to-dos, adapts on the fly, and even pulls in new data via smart integrations in under 5 minutes. I completely automated 3 of my own routine projects. Zero code, full control, instant time savings. Here's the kicker. Recent industry surveys show 75% of businesses say AI workflow tools will transform everything by next year. And tools like Anakin AI top the list for disruptive potential. Big tech is nervous. Some platforms already restrict agent permissions, and experts predict regulatory moves could limit access soon. So, will you get ahead or get left behind? Smash the like button if this tool could save you 100 hours a month. Also, subscribe to the channel for more breakthrough AI exposes. If you've let an agent fully clone your workflow, comment AI Guru, or tell us what you'd automate first. Link is below for a free Anakin AI beta. Try it out before it's possibly locked down. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.